How's it guys? In this episode, we visit South Africa's Kruger National Park, which is one of Africa's largest and most renowned game reserves. The Kruger Park, as it is known locally, first opened its gates to the public in 1927. Kruger is located on the eastern side of South Africa and is one of the largest nature conservation areas in the world, almost the size of Belgium. For many safari tourists, Kruger is their top choice. It has an abundance of wildlife, a diversity of landscape, and world-class accommodation and infrastructure. When we arrived at the main entrance gate just before 5 a.m, we had high hopes of being the first people through the gates that day. Despite our early arrival, we ended up about fourth in the queue. There are 9 separate entrance gates dispersed all along the reserve's perimeter through which you can get access into the park. The Kruger Park is 100% authentic and natural. There are no cages or circus routines. All the animals are wild and roam freely throughout the park. Lion, leopard, rhino, elephant and buffalo, these make up the big 5, and getting sight of these animals tends to be the main attraction and motivation for people wanting to visit the Kruger. The park has a large collection of animals, which extends to more than 12,000 elephants, 27,000 buffalo, and a little over 1,000 leopards. Hundreds of other animals also make their home within the Kruger. This includes a diverse range of bird species, as well as vultures, eagles and storks. Covering an area of almost 20,000 kilometers, the landscape consists of mountains, bush plains and tropical forests. Fees to enter the park cost about $27 per person per day, and this rate is for foreign visitors only. Local residents tend to pay a little less. Entrance gates to the park open around 5:30 a.m. and close promptly at 6 p.m. in the evenings. An advantage to staying in the various camps within the park means these gates open at 4:30 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. in the evenings, which gives you an advantage of being able to travel and position yourself at your intended watering hole an hour before the general public get given access to enter the park. This is a big competitive advantage if you're wanting to do wildlife photography. Accommodation prices average from $60 for a 3-star hotel to around $1,300 for a 5-star hotel. The best time to visit the Kruger is during the dry winter season, which is from May to October, with accommodation getting sold out sometimes months in advance. The Kruger gets around 1.4 million visitors per year, so making advance bookings are essential, especially if you're planning on staying at one of the resorts within the park itself. The park has 21 rest camps, 2 private lodge concessions, and about 15 private lodges. Nothing compares to the feeling of being in the African bush, going on safari in the early morning or late afternoon, and experiencing close encounters with wild animals. This tends to awaken all your senses. The Kruger National Park is a fantastic safari option, whether you're a first-time safari traveler or an old hand. Every time I visit Africa, a safari trip is always part of my itinerary.